This is my ROG Xbox Ally X, which is good, but it could be better. So that led me down the rabbit hole of trying different operating systems to find the best match for this handheld. We have already tried SteamOS, so our next best option is Bazzite OS for the handheld. Bazzite offers a SteamOS-like experience. It even launches you directly into big picture mode, so you don't have to worry about any sort of weird configurations. And just like SteamOS, you can switch to desktop mode, which has a significant improved desktop experience, plus a huge app store for pretty much any sort of software you're looking for. So I mean, this sounds like a huge plus. So I had to give it a try. I headed over to the website, downloaded the handheld Pacific version, and selected the device I'm using, which is the ROG Xbox Ally X. Went ahead and got it plugged in to start doing the install. However, I did run into a little bit of a weird bug while installing Bazzite. After I loaded up the install panel, it just decided to bug out on me for a little bit. I had to restart my device multiple times before I actually could get into the install process. After smashing my head off my table a few times, we finally got it officially installed on the handheld. So the next step, of course, was to download some games. Originally, I grabbed a good range of different titles that would give us a solid performance benchmark on the handheld, which was 6 different titles, and I let them install overnight. But the next day, when I actually went to start using the device, I launched the finals, and once it completed the shaders, it freaked out and crashed immediately. I'm honestly unsure what just happened. I've never experienced this on any sort of Linux OS I've tried, so I went and tried launching Black Ops 3 and the same thing happened. But this time, it was a lot worse. Instead of crashing immediately, it restarted the device and hung on a gray screen. I'm not sure why it did this. No biggie, I'll just restart it. And that did absolutely nothing. It brought me right back to the gray screen after showing the boot logo and everything. So I kept on trying to restart my device. I'm just completely lost what actually happened. It could have been the game that crashed and caused the whole system to go haywire, but who knows? After wasting a good 3 hours, I decided the best course of action was to just reinstall Bazzite. After going through the reinstall process, I got Bazzite up and running again, and I verified it was working, and this time I only downloaded 2 games to make sure we were in the clear. Because of everything that was just happening, who knows what caused the system to crash, the game or the software, but luckily enough, everything was working perfectly fine. All the games launched without a problem and even performed very similar or exactly the same as SteamOS performed previously on this device. Performance wise, I was very happy. The handheld got about 5 to 15% increase over Windows. And if we were trying to compare this against SteamOS, it's the same. Like, there's no performance difference. They're both Linux. And I'm just gonna say it, this is still an improvement over Windows. Anyway, now that we got the nightmare out of the way and Bazzite is fully working on the handheld, what's it like actually using it? Well, I mean, it's not bad. If you like SteamOS, you're gonna like Bazzite, just with a little less polish. Instead of the Ally's drop-down menu, or even the SteamOS performance menu that lets you tweak your TDP or your FPS or turn on performance mode, which allows you to see your FPS, Bazzite has its own menu, and it can be a main pop-up or a side menu, which I thought was pretty cool. You can switch it however you like, so there is a lot of customization here. Don't get me wrong, but there's not as much as I would like. You can do a lot of your frequency, performance tweaks, and change your color of your RGB, your button mapping, but again, it's just not as much fine-tuning as I want out of a menu like this, especially when you're comparing it against something like SteamOS's drop-down menu, which is phenomenal. You have plenty of different options from your performance, which we have here in Bazzite, and your FPS, your settings, your hertz, your refresh rate, your brightness. There's a lot of good settings, but I just feel like it's nowhere near as well designed as SteamOS's menu, and there's still a lot of options that we are missing that you do get if you are running purely SteamOS. Even though this literally looks like SteamOS because it is. It's just big picture mode. Also, for some reason, it loves to lag when you hit the main button. Especially in games, it pops up immediately, but takes about 2 to 3 seconds to fully respawn. I'm not quite sure why it does that, which I was getting pretty irritated when I was trying to quickly exit or change the setting in the middle of a game, and it lags, and you're like, okay, dude, well, now I gotta wait. That said, these problems were pretty much the only thing I ran into. The rest of the experience has been flawless. From loading into the games to adjusting your power presets, everything else worked. So if you like SteamOS, you're gonna like Bazzite's handheld OS. But we haven't even talked about the real star of the show, the desktop mode. Bazzite desktop experience is one of the best. The easeability of updating, managing, and installing stuff is incredible. It's got to be one of the best OSs to get into as a newcomer to Linux, and I highly recommend it. And this thing doesn't even miss a beat. Even on the handheld, you get an incredible desktop experience that you would expect out of the normal version of Bazzite. However, as great as Bazzite's desktop experience is, what you're really here for is the handheld experience. Navigating the desktop on the handheld without a keyboard is really annoying. As much as I love it to be built around a controller navigation, you have to use a mouse or the touchscreen to do anything. And I really thought they would put more effort into an easier navigation system, especially for controllers. Like, the experience is great, just not for controllers. So this brings us to the biggest part of this whole video. Is it worth installing Bazzite instead of SteamOS? Honestly, I don't think so. Bazzite is basically SteamOS with its own flavor, which isn't bad, don't get me wrong, and I do prefer the desktop experience over SteamOS, but I just feel like SteamOS's menus and configurations and even feel are a lot better. Plus, you're not going to deal with as many problems, and if there are issues, Valve will take care of it and patch it. The same does go for Bazzite, but they're nowhere near as big as Valve. I find Bazzite's additional menus kind of clunky and overwhelming, annoying to navigate, and I think they do serve a purpose, but SteamOS's menus are just significantly better designed, especially for performance. And there's a lot I like and I dislike, but if I had to pick one for the handheld, I'll choose SteamOS any day. Additionally, Bazzite was even more of a better choice previously because SteamOS wasn't officially released to the public. We were stealing the versions off the Steam Deck, which were, didn't really work that well, and they had a lot of problems. But now SteamOS is open for anybody to download and use. Bazzite's handheld experience is more of a gimmick now than ever. And really, there's no performance difference between those two. Every game's going to play the same on either operating system. They're both Linux. And you still can't play games with anti-cheat that don't support Linux. So no matter what, you basically have the same experience, but with a twist. Do you want Bazzite flavored experience, or do you want the SteamOS flavored experience? That's the real decision. Are you going to be using the desktop mode more than the handheld, or vice versa? In my opinion, if you're going to use the desktop mode more on your handheld than the handheld itself, then I would use Bazzite any day. But if you're purely looking for a handheld experience, SteamOS is hands down the best experience for any sort of handheld. Windows is getting up there, but they still have a long way to go before they'll get to that point of SteamOS. I have to say it, it's the best. So this brings me to the end of the video. If you guys have any sort of opinions or anything that I did mention that I should have, or your own opinions about Bazzite versus SteamOS or either or, please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts, your opinions, and I'm just curious of what people think. I mean, everybody's experience is different, and my experience, is different than someone else's. I just, I would love to hear what people think about it and what they think of my video and what I could have worked on to bring a better argument between either SteamOS or Bazzite. I don't know why I keep saying that. So yeah, I'll leave it here. Hope you guys have a good one. Don't forget to give me a sub. I'm almost at 10,000 and I want to be there by the end of the year. So don't miss out.